Now the next translation I need to do is an axial symmetry, which brings point P1 over to P2. Now axial symmetry is like we flip it across from there. So again, we need to find the center point where it's flipping from. So we'll go in, we'll join the two centers, find the center of that by bisecting, just like we did in the first question. Again, just go bigger than halfway, an arc there, and an arc there. Now we can join with the 2 points where the arcs meet, and that's our central point right there. Because everything flips across, all the points are going to move along parallel to this line. So we need to do some parallel lines. Now they're going to be fairly long, so I'm going to use the long edge of the 60 to 30 degree set square. I'm going to put the other one under here, and I can just slide across. So I'm going to take my time to make sure this is just nicely lined up. There we go. And we'll bring all our points. So we'll bring the center point from here. Bring the other center point. We'll work around our edges. Take that edge. Take the center down there. Take my top corner. And this far corner here. Okay, so that's them all brought across. Next question is, how far across do they go? So we'll work up through these. So basically my distance here is going to be the same as my distance there. So we'll set that up. Lovely. That's one. This one here is going to that small little hidden center. There it is there. Okay, just beside the P. The next one is going to that center of the circle there. There we go. This one's all the way out to the far end. This one's in a bit closer. And this is the very top. Okay. Start drawing some lines in. Now you can start with the circles or with the lines. I'm going to start with the lines here just to reduce the chance of me making a mistake and confusing the different points. It helps me locate everything on the page. So like before, I'm going to go back to the original drawing to get the dimensions for that big circle. That's it right there. There we go. Now, these lovely small circles, so that should be the center. And again, we're slightly off, so we're just going to readjust. And that should be close enough. So when you're drawing these small ones, it's tricky enough to keep the compass down. So a nice bit of pressure through the point, just slow and steady. Let's check my center here. There we go. Again, you can always do it lightly and go back over it. And we just finish off those two little lines. Okay, so that's our axial symmetry finished.